So that beg oh. Eh? This one that my doctor don't tell me say make I not drink garri again. If I drink am, if it affect my eye this time around.
It is smoky, bro.
See the garri within my system don't too much.
No.
But doctor, you need to understand. This thing's not easy. This na groundnut. This na garri. Sugar. And pure water. Doctor, you need to understand though, now wetin my money fit buy now.
Continue.
Wetin my money fit buy. And this thing dey like this now. It's a very big temptation. I cannot resist it.
Not be juju be that.
Doctor, I explain to you, doctor now. Come dey make me dey fear. Eh? I go risk am. I go chop am. Life na 50-50. Yeah. So make I just chop this one first. Eh? Doctor, abeg, no vex. Eh? No vex.
Sorry.
Make I just chop this one first. Garri. Chineke. Yeah. That is life. Doctor. Now this one, doctor Smith cannot chop. Doctor, you need to understand though. Yeah, I be African man.
Will you keep quiet?
I'm a confirmed Nigerian man.
You be mumu. Think say they wise.
If I chop garri, I no go see again. Doctor, give all those things, not they work for my body.
Continue.
You don't know why it's going on.
Why my eye dey do me like this?
Mugbe one handicap.
Is there something is taking for my eye? I know this is garri. Am I doing?
Photo. Sorry.
What is happening to me? Am I dreaming or what? Will I see what the doctor talk about the happen? I cannot see again.
But if you go to another day, you learn.
No, na me fuck up.
Please, my people, please, I'm begging you to like my page. If you like it, you comment and subscribe, please. And let me tell you something that will happen. If you like my page, my village people, they'll frown. If you not comment, they'll start crying. They'll be crying.
Will you keep quiet?
And if you just by mistake, you just subscribe and you share it, something will happen. No, so please just like, share, and comment. I love you. Yeah now.